Hello everyone, we are trying to show you the test drive of Beckman Coulter DU800 series and to see how this piece of lab equipment is going to pass all of its preliminary tests. And I'm going to turn on the instrument. I already hooked the USB cable inside of the laptop. Immediately recognize the USB cable, and we are just waiting for logo to show. It's gonna start testing itself. All of the component is going to be tested at the beginning. So that's a very good, reliable piece of lab equipment, and many biochemists, chemists, all of the pharmaceutical, they love this kind of piece of lab equipment. It does have a very wide range of wavelength, 190 nanometer to 110 nanometer, and also it does have a very good wavelength accuracy, and at the wavelength of 651.1 nanometer, it does have a wavelength accuracy of 0.2 nanometer, and at the wavelength of in a full range, the wavelength accuracy is 0.5 nanometers, which is very good. And it does have a very photometric accuracy, also a stereo light, very good performance. And actually I'm just using this kind of lab for myself, this kind of lab equipment for myself. It's just very good lab instrument. So anyway, so we're still waiting. Just at the beginning, what it's gonna do is it's trying to calibrate and download the calibration wavelength position to itself, to the laptop. And as soon as this done, start checking the monochromator and every optics which is included in an instrument. And starting with the gain, visible light, light path, shutter, filter, wavelength drive, detector, EEPROM, all of them. It's going to check all of them. So you see gain passed, wavelength line passed, light path, everything. So I'm waiting that everything is passed, and so it's just in a very good working condition. And what you can do, simply hit the visible light, and first continue, and you just hit the visible light, and also UV light. So waiting to get warm up. You see the deuterium lamp. Oh, I'm sorry, I turned it off by mistake. So as you can see, it's just blinking, which means that it just started warming up itself. So even in a display is blinking, showing that start warming up by itself. Then it's going to be a stable. Now you can start taking your blank and start your experiment. Thank you, and I hope that you can watch my next video about the performance and how just gonna be used, the calibration, and I'm gonna just go a little through all of some part of it to cover the partial of this in lab equipment.